feeling super surprised. But before that, can you guess where I am? In India. This is my brother and me, and the surprise is this Cadbury celebration chocolate, and we're gonna open it and eat one of them. Okay, so let's first open this cover. Now we open this. Now we're gonna see chocolates. Huh? Are these the chocolates? Yeah, these. Oh, dairy milk. Dairy milk chocolate. Oh. We have Cadbury 5-star chocolates, Cadbury dairy milk, and Cadbury gems. Oh, my brother wants Cadbury dairy milk. Okay, I'm gonna give you the chocolate. He wants chocolate. Okay, we gotta eat some chocolate. Can't go in there, right? Okay. Oh, chocolate, Dad. Eat the chocolate. No, this is chocolate. Yeah. Yummy. Is it yummy? Okay. Let's open it. He's dancing about the chocolates. Chocolate dance. He likes chocolates the most. Hey, chocolate.